If Figma is giving you errors, freezing, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll start by fully closing Figma, then clear the app cache on Windows or Mac, and finally check whether the issue is actually coming from Figma's servers. These steps are quick, safe, and they often fix the most common Figma app errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is force quit Figma completely. Sometimes the app may look closed, but background processes are still running, and that can cause errors when you try to reopen it. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything related to Figma, including the main app and any background processes, then click each one and choose End Task. Make sure every Figma process is completely closed before moving on. If you're on a Mac, the process is just as easy. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and choose Force Quit. Then look for Figma in the list, select it, and click Force Quit. If you don't see it there, you can also check Activity Monitor and close any Figma-related processes manually. The goal here is to make sure nothing from the app is still running in the background. Once Figma is fully closed, the next step is to clear the cache on Windows. This is one of the most effective fixes when the app is acting strange, loading incorrectly, or showing unexpected errors. Open the Start menu and type %appeb.Figma, then press Enter. This will take you to Figma's local app data folder. Inside, you should see folders called Desktop and Desktop Profile. Delete both of those folders. Don't worry, this does not delete your actual Figma files or projects. It just removes cached data that may be causing the issue. After deleting those folders, restart Figma and see if the problem is gone. If you're using a Mac, clearing the cache is even simpler. Open Figma, then go to the Help menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Troubleshooting and then click Clear Cache. This will remove temporary data stored by the app and can fix a lot of common glitches, especially if Figma has become slow, buggy, or stuck on a loading screen. After clearing the cache, quit and relaunch the app so it can rebuild fresh files. If the error is still happening after that, the next thing you should do is check the Figma status page. Sometimes the issue has nothing to do with your device at all. If Figma's servers are having a problem, you may experience login issues, slow loading, syncing failures, or app errors across the board. Open your browser and visit the official Figma status page to see whether there is an active outage or service disruption. If there is, the best thing to do is wait until Figma resolves it on their side, and that's it. Those are the main steps to fix a Figma app error. First, fully close Figma, then clear the cache on your device, and finally check whether Figma itself is down. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue right away. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.